Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Gemini to upscale low resolution icons. I've got a low resolution icon over here that I'd like to upscale. So if we zoom in, we can see there's a lot of jagged edges and the image overall isn't very clear. So what I want to do is upscale it so it's a higher resolution. That way I can use it as an asset in any of my videos or any of my Photoshop projects. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to gemini.google.com. You should be greeted by the landing page, and here we click on this small plus icon to add our file. Just gonna select the file real quick, and now I can start writing our prompt. I want you to upscale this image. I need it to be a high resolution format at, let's say, 1000 by 1000 pixels at least. Let me double check the prompt real quick. I want you to upscale this image. I need to be a higher resolution. Yeah, I'm pretty satisfied with that prompt, so I'm gonna go ahead and press enter or send, and Gemini should load the Nano Banana toolset. There we go. Now let's give it a minute or two to analyze and process our image, but it should be done before long. There we go, and here's our finished product. Pretty much. I think it's still finishing up a few final touches, but yeah. So if we compare our first image that we submitted, very jagged edges, not crisp at all. And if we compare it to our new upscaled image, even the logo, the trademark logo is very crisp and clear and easy to read. So now I can use this for something like a video thumbnail or whatever and not have to worry about the quality. Gonna go ahead and click download full size, and there we go. So now we've successfully upscaled our image. It's 1024 by 1024, absolutely perfect. And that's how you can use Google Gemini's Nano Banana to upscale any icon, low resolution image you might need. Hope you're able to learn something new, and thank you for watching.